Hey everybody, it's Neil, and you see I have my paper towels just sitting out here on the counter, and I wanted something a little bit nicer, so I got this Covile, K-O-V-I-L-E, and it is going to be a little stand for my paper towels. So it comes in a really nicely packaged thing here. It comes with, here's a screw and pieces of parts here. We will assemble it here, since it looks like there's just going to be one screw. And here is the bar that's going to go straight up. So I'm going to, let's see, where do we want the screws and washers to go? So the screw, gasket 1, gasket 2. Okay, I guess it's going to go lock washer, regular washer, through the hole. And this comes with a threaded insert already. And then we just cinch this up. And there we go. We should have a stand for our paper towels. Very cool. Come with anything else? Yep, it does. It comes with some rubber feet. We'll want to put those on so we don't scratch at the counter. And that's everything. So let me put those rubber feet on here. This way. So let's put these rubber feet on just to keep ourselves with everything we need. A little balance in there. No, we're not even close. Okay. Let's see. So I committed to this, so we got to do it. But I'm having a hard time pulling the sticker off. Okay, well, I'm getting the sticker off of everything. Let's just see if we can get these little nubs out. So one here, one directly across. Woo. One there. And there. And for fun, I'll stick this one in the center. Okay, so I set it up like this. I even put one in the center just for fun. And now it's not going anywhere, so totally cool. I like it. Oh, you can see down there. That's how it sits. Sits well, doesn't slide for sure. So I like it. Thumbs up for sure.